Good morning, everyone. I am Justin with Two Stall Garage, and today is all about having some fun. Simple fun. You guys know what I'm talking about. The stuff that sometimes you get shamed a little bit about. Guys, I bought some Ventvisors for the Jeep Liberty today, and you know what? It's okay. Everybody knows what a Ventvisor is. It's one of these right here, and it goes right over your window, and it gives yourself a different look. You can call it a custom look, you can call it an advanced look, more sportier, doesn't add any horsepower, of course. It's just about having fun with what you got. Chickens are out already this morning. I set their timer a little bit different. Got an automatic timer. It opens up when it gets light out, it closes when it gets dark out, and it actually closed just after the last chicken went inside, so I got to adjust that a little bit. A while back I did a video on a Accessory grill, that one right there, and we had this surprise delivered last night. This is going to be the chrome edition. That's going to go right on the black Jeep. Both of these options, the Ventvisors were about $40, the grill was about $240. Free shipping on both of them. That's a lot of money to us. Now, it's not a lot of money comparative to some things that we could have bought. The Jeep Liberty is not a lot of money compared to other vehicles that we could have bought. Would we like something brand new? Sure. Can we work on it? Well, some things yes. Some things we're gonna need more tools, a bigger shop. We just don't have all that stuff. Thank you for being here today. It's always wonderful to talk to you guys. We're doing something simple and enjoyable today, and we're gonna see if Ventvisors can still look good. These were a big thing in early 2000s. Let's put them on today in year 2024. Beautiful morning. Guys, notice how clean my Jeep Liberty is. Not. Because we live on a gravel road. It is okay. I remember back in 1999, I had a job, I was working at Walmart. I was bringing home about $432 every couple weeks. That's with putting in like 38 hours per week, 40 hours per week. $432 was one of the biggest paychecks that I would get. Dad took me to the biggest city in South Dakota. It's Sioux Falls. We found a black Dodge Durango. I was young, I was just starting college. Hey, Crystal. It was black, the interior was gray, and I was thinking that's what I would like. Can I afford it? I could barely afford it. $432 every couple weeks. I had an apartment, I had to buy groceries, I had to pay utilities. So you can kind of understand why today I'm standing here in front of you talking about this black Jeep Liberty with gray interior. How about that, huh? That Durango was a 1999. One of the things that I could afford to put on it was Ventvisors. I remember I paid like $42 or $49 for them. I got these for $40 here just recently on eBay. I like them. I don't smoke, nothing like that. People will say that you're a smoker then if you have these on. No, I like the look of them. I like to be able to roll down my window if it's maybe right in between one of those temperatures where you might want to have the heat on, but you kind of have to have the air conditioning on because it's humid. Your windows kind of fog up. Or it's raining and I just want to have it cracked a little bit. So that's my story of how I could afford the vehicle I wanted to, but couldn't really afford a whole lot else, and I wanted to make it my own. This is one of the first things that I picked up. What do you guys have on yours, or what have you put on it? What are you thinking about putting on your vehicle? Or are you just going to run it completely bone stock? That is absolutely okay too. I love having stock stuff in these things. Some vehicles I've had before I wouldn't modify at all. Now I'm pretty much certain everybody knows how to install a Ventvisor, but we got to just take this double side tape off and stick it on. I clean that with some window cleaner, spray away, and that's it. Don't worry about the alcohol pads. I don't anyways. A little trick when you're installing these, pull off just a little bit of that cover on that double-sided tape, and you're gonna let this one stick. You're gonna let this side stick. When you stick it on, you just got 3 little points of contact, and then you're gonna pull from the outside all the way around. So just in case you mount it incorrectly at first, you can pull it right back off. No sweat. I got this one because it's got the 4x4 on it. It's just a sticker. Little things for fun. You don't have to compete with your automotive community. You can support each other and say, hey, that's nice. I like the way you did that right there. Can be a small thing, can be a big thing. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna tack our little piece on, tack that on. Now we're looking at it. I think I'm gonna back it up just a little bit, and this will be back just a tiny little bit more. I'm unsold on the look at the moment, but I think it's gonna be good once I get it all in place. So I stuck it down, but I'm not quite happy with this line. It's just about perfect, actually. I'm gonna have this line right here line up right with this. It's just down a tiny little bit. And this one is just about perfect, lined right up with that crease right there. And because I only took it off, exposed that tape just a little bit, we're gonna be okay here. There. Now we're just gonna pull this off. Nice and easy. Keep coming. You gonna make it? Come on, come on. There we go. I've got to grab that piece right there. It's kind of underneath. Push it back down because your tape wasn't stuck to it when it was exposed. Now it will adhere to it. It is hot on the vehicle here, so that's not going to take much. That stuff is going to stick right to the vehicle. There we have it, guys. We got one window done. We know the lines we're going to follow on both sides. So let's get back to it. We'll finish this out and we'll see what it looks like. It's good stuff. Hey Crystal, you enjoying the warm temps down there? All right, we got it. We got all four on there. You guys ready to see what it looks like? The cheap automotive upgrade for the day? There it is, your $40 upgrade. The Jeep is dirty. That's just how it goes. I personally think that they look okay. I think they turned out good, guys. $40, free shipping. You can't go wrong. It's something that I like. It's something that I really enjoyed when I was younger having on the Durango. And I think I enjoyed it most because it was an upgrade that I could do myself. I considered it an upgrade anyways. Some people might not. And it was something that gave me the feeling of job well done. Making the vehicle my own. I made the Durango my own back then. And today, my wife and I were making our vehicles our own. And it's kind of fun to have a little fun with what you have. Everybody, I hope you have a good day. Thanks so much for being here. It's a nice sunny Saturday. I hope you guys are having a nice day no matter what the temperature is. And we'll talk to you in a couple days. See you next time. Stay in touch. All right, from our garage to yours. Bye-bye.